A new package, Machine Digital Twin, or MDT, has been added in version 2022.0. With it, the customer can now buy NC-SIML for one machine. When configuring the license inside CLS, you must select the MDT kit and then a variation such as 3-axis, 5-axis, or mill-turn. Save the changes and choose to activate to apply the license. When the customer receives his machine with this type of license, he will still be able to use any of the demo machines as they are not protected. However, if the customer receives a machine from another customer, they will not be able to use it. Here you can see that there's a machine-specific code attached to the configuration, also limiting them from creating a new machine themselves. You will be able to see the same code attached to the custom product code in the license manager, so in this case, only that 5-axis machine can run.